List of issues to be discussed at a meeting. Agenda. The study of insect entomology. Theft of another person's writing or ideas and passing them off as one's own. Plagiarism. Plagiarism. The place where public, government, or historical records are kept. Archives. Speed of an object in one direction. Velocity. In an threatening manner. Ghastly. A person who pretends to be what he is not. Impostor. One who finds nothing good in anything. Satiric. Critic. That which cannot be easily read. Illegible. The process of deciding the nature of disease by examination. Diagnosis. The quality of being politely firm and demanding. Assertive. One who eats human flesh. Cannibal. A person who is fluent in two languages. Bilingual. A state of anxiety or dismay causing mental confusion. Consternation. A person who loves wealth and spends as little money as possible. Miser. Fear of water. Hydrophobia. Easily dubbed or flood. Easily dubbed and fooled. Gullible. Animal that can live on land and water and in water. Amphibians. Handwriting that cannot be read. Illegible. To feel or express disapproval of something or someone. Deprecate. To keep a great person or event in people's memory. Commemorate. Occurring at irregular interval in time. Sporadic. A lover of books. Bibliophile. A person who withdraws from world to live in seclusion and often in solitude. Recluse. To agree to something. Assent. A body of persons appointed to hear evidence and give their verdict in trial. Jury. A situation that stops activity from progressing. Bottleneck. A person who dishonestly pretends to be somebody else. Impostor. A violent storm. Tempest. Careful or the inquiry. Investigation. Failing or to discharge one's duty. Willfully. Dereliction. इसको बोलते हैं dereliction. A legal agreement by which a person borrow money from a bank usually to buy a house. Mortgage. A movement of part of the body to express an idea or feelings. Gesture. A child born after the death of his father. Posthumous child. A person who is physically dependent on a substance. Addict. A cure for all disease. Panacea. A raised platform in building. Walk away. A system of naming things. Nomenclature. One who hates women. Misogynist. Able to use right hand and left hand equally well. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. Capable of being interpreted in two ways. Ambiguous. One who has narrow and prejudiced religious view. Fanatic. The action of looking within or into one's own mind. Introspect. To confirm with the help of evidence. Implicate. A person who loves mankind. Philanthropist. Full of criticism or mockery. Satire. An agreement between two countries or groups to stop fighting. Ceasefire. Excessively enthusiastic and unreasonable excited about something. Fanatical. Intense and unreasonable fear of dislike. Phobia. To be dogmatic and one's opinionated. Opinionated. High sea waves caused by underwater earthquakes, tsunami. High sea wave caused by underwater earthquakes, tsunami. A voice that cannot be heard, inaudible. The absence of law and order, anarchy. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle differences, intermediary. To give one's authority to another, delegates. Body of singers, core. A thing likely to be easily broken, brittle. An animal story with moral, fable. The study of ancient civilization, archaeology. A disease which is spread by direct contact, contagious. Lasting only for a short while, temporary. A number of stars grouped together, constellation. Animal that feeds on plant, herbivorous. Use of force or threats to get someone to agree to something, coercion. Murder of a man, homicide. A strong dislike between two persons, antipathy. That which is without opposition, unanimous. The plant and vegetation of a region, flora. The killing of whole group of people, genocide. A remedy of all disease, panacea. The remedy for all disease, panacea. The plant and vegetation of a region, flora, related to moon, lunar. The art of preserving skin of animals, birds, and flesh and fish, taxidermy. A paper written by hand, manuscript. Place where wine is made, brewery. Found all over the world, universal. Something kept as a reminder of an event, souvenir. A scale used for measuring the strength of an earthquake, Richter. One who practices, one of fine art, artist. A general pardon of offenders, amnesty. An established principle of practical wisdom, maxim. The person by which a person the process by which a person or an organization reduces the amount of money it spends, budgeting. The figure of speech by which a thing is spoken of as being that which it only resembles, a smile. Very dramatic, histrionic. To secretly store more than what is allowed, hoard. One who does not make mistake, infallible. A written statement about someone's character usually provided by an employer. Testimonial. Part of a country behind the coast of or a river bank. Hinterland. An abandoned child of unknown parents who is found by somebody. Foundling. Art of writing for a newspapers and magazines, journalism. A person who gamble or bets, punter. Place that provide refuge, asylum, asylum, xylem. Uh, Doing something according to one's own free will, voluntary. A foreigner who settles in a country, immigrants. A small room in a big house, hotel, ship, etc., where glass, dishes, spoons, food, etc., are kept, pantry. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people, democracy. Something that is difficult to believe, incredible. The height of object above the sea level, altitude. Group of people lives together in same locality, neighborhood. Always ready to attack of quarrel, aggressive. Thank you.